Welcome to our DJ tutorials. This is your tutor, TSA The DJ, the main tutor at Destiny School of DJ as well. We are making a new series where we'll be giving you, or we'll be showcasing various DJ tutorials in under 5 minutes. But our minimum target is to do the tutorials under 3 minutes, keeping the topic short and as brief as possible. So for today's first topic, we are discussing about what is a basic DJ setup, like what a DJ setup consists of. So we'll be playing a little bit of background volume so that I'll be audible, but still will be a little bit of background volume so that I can cut out the background noise which is coming from my end. The mic is very powerful, it's catching up a lot of background noise. So let's cut the crap, let's get into the details. First of all, what does a basic DJ setup consist of? Basic DJ setup consists of 2 CD players. This is one CD player, this is another CD player, and one mixer. So CD players, actually the DJ term for the CD players is CDJ. We as a DJ call it as a CDJ. So this is one CDJ, this is CDJ 2, or we can call it as deck 1, deck 2, and these are again the audios are routed into the mixer. You can choose, and these are the channel volumes. You can choose any of the channels behind to connect it. You can connect it via a RCA cable. So the RCA cables are these, you see. So one goes over behind over here, and one it gets connected to the mixer and the behind over here. So these are the RCA cables, audio cables, which you must be seeing a lot in your house if you're connecting any sort of CD player, video player, or any sort of audio player as well. All right. So that's the basic DJ setup is CDJ, and mixer. Now in a CDJ, there are various other features which you might be which you need to know, and various other features in a mixer you need to know. So for starting off, first we'll try to cover what is in the CDJ. So CDJ, every CDJ this is a Pioneer setup. This is a Pioneer controller, not a Pioneer. So not a Newmark, not a Denon. These are the two other competitive in the market which are going on, the Pioneer equipments which are there in the market. Okay, let's cut out that details. Let's get into the CDJ part. For every CDJ, you will see this pattern is common. You have a cue button over here, and then you have a play button over here, and then you see this big wheel or a CD kind of a setup over this thing is called as Jog Wheel. And we'll get into we'll have a separate tutorial video discussing everything about Jog Wheel in another video in the coming up videos. So stay tuned, make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe as well, so that you will be notified, and click on the bell icon so we'll be notified whenever we upload. We'll be making a separate tutorial videos on the cue. Cue is a very important function, so we'll be making one complete tutorial explaining what does this cue do, then a jog wheel, then the looping functions, then what is a quantize, then what is a slip function. Quantize is very important. These are all pretty common in every DJ setup you see, in every club DJ setup you see. Alright, so this is the jog wheel. I said these are used for loop, I mean basic loop. I think you might be knowing what is a basic looping is. You put in one point, and like you listening to this part, right, the background music that is set in a loop, 4-bar loop, so 4-beat loop. Okay, so yeah, just listen to it. Yeah, this is in a loop right now. See, you can see over here. So usually and these CDJs usually consist of another screen on top over here. Usually it comes as a screen on top over here, but this is a controller, all-in-one controller designed on the basis of the club setup 2000 Nexus, and the mixer is based on that, and the whole setup is based on the club setup. So that is what we have seen today as CDJ's main functions. And then mixer, let's go into the mixer. We have another minute. Alright, in the mixer we have, these are called the channel or the volume faders. Channel faders are the volume faders, and then you have these three. You can see over here, this is an EQ. EQ consists of high frequencies, middle frequencies and low frequencies. And then this is the gain or trim. This is sound color. You can activate this by using these 4 options. These are all predefined options. You cannot change them, but you can change what this knob does by selecting on one of these options. And then you have headphones section over here, how you can control the headphones volume. And then you have the headphones cue over here. You have mic over here. You have master volume over here. This is the booth volume over here. This is the master meter. This is channel meter. These are channel meter. These are channel meters or channel meters. And this is a crossfader. And in every high-end mixers, you will have the option to activate the crossfaders accordingly by using these functions. All right, so and this and one more important feature I forgot to tell you in the CDJ is that this is the tempo fader. This lets you adjust the BPM of a song. We'll get into all this and in future topics, like in the next tutorial videos. For now, this is it. This is the basic DJ setup. I hope you all enjoyed it. For the next tutorial, we'll see more about Q, jog wheels, and we'll keep progressing it. All right, I hope I didn't bore you. This is our first video, so make sure you comment down below what you think of it and how we can improve it, and make sure you click on the bell icon so that if we upload the next tutorial videos, you can watch it and learn a lot. All right, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.